Hello friends, this is Pooja. Welcome to my channel Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn parts of speech. Before moving ahead and going in details, first of all we must know the definition of parts of speech. Parts of speech are grammatical class of words. They are identified by their expression and the way they work in a sentence. So, to know more about them, we will see some examples, some sentences and some other definitions of parts of speech and their parts. There are 8 parts of speech. The 8 parts of speech are the following: verb, noun, adverb, adjective, pronoun, interjection, conjunction and preposition. Now let's have a look at them one by one. A verb denotes an action or work. Example: run, walk, sleep, etc. Here are some examples. Sheetal studies for 2 hours daily. Meenu walks daily in the morning as well as in the night. Here, walk and studies are a kind of verb. A noun is a naming word. It denotes the name of a person, place or things. Let's go through some examples. Delhi, Raman, book, etc. are the examples. Now for more clarification, we will have some sentences. Here are 3 sentences where we will see noun. Delhi is the capital of India since 1911. Ramesh is an intelligent student and I love reading spiritual book. In first sentences, Delhi and India is noun. In second one, Ramesh is a noun. And in third sentence, books is an example of noun. Adjective. An adjective defines a noun or a pronoun. For more clarification, let's see some examples. Some of the examples are: Annie is a short-heighted girl, Tony is carrying an ugly picture, and Gaurav is a hard-working person. Now let us see. Annie is short-heighted girl. Short word is defining Annie. Here Tony is carrying an ugly picture. The word ugly is defining the picture, and Gaurav is a hard-working person. Hard-working is defining the quality of Gaurav, that what kind of person he is. Hope it is clear. Now let's move ahead. Next one is adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, a phrase or a whole sentence. For being clear, let's run through some of the examples. Here we can see 2 examples of adverb. Shima always reaches office on time. Yesterday we had a great time together. In both the sentences we can see that how the word always and yesterday defines the sentence. Pronoun is used in place of a noun. Example: I, we, they, she, it, etc. Some of the examples of pronoun are: Ritu and Shelly are best friends. They always stay together. Purnima is wearing a pretty dress. She designs herself. You can meet me at 2:30 in the afternoon. In the first sentence, they replaces Ritu and Sally. In the second sentence, she replaces Purnima. Whereas in the third sentences, you is an example of pronoun. So in 3 sentences, we can clearly see the pronoun. Interjection. Interjection explains some strong feeling or something in a sudden or an exclamatory way. Let us be clear through some of the examples. Some examples of interjection are: hurrah, alas, wow, oh. Now let's see some sentences. Let's see some example. Hurrah, we passed the test. Alas, she lost her purse today. Wow, what a pretty dress she is wearing. Oh, such a sad news I received today. In these sentences, hurrah, alas, wow and oh are examples of interjection because they are showing some kind of strong feeling. Conjunction. Conjunction are called joining words. They are used to join word, clauses, phrases to construct sentences. For example, and, but, although, etc. For more clarification, we will go through some of the examples and sentences. Let us have look. Examples of conjunction are I love to eat bread and butter. Seema is strong but Reema is weak. Here and but are examples of conjunction because they are joining the sentences. Lastly, we have preposition. A preposition is a group of words used before a noun or a pronoun. They are basically used to connect people, object, time, and location. For being more clear, let us go through some example and some sentences. Examples of preposition are under, above, in, during, out, within. Let's see some sentences. The cat is sitting under the table. Tom was sleeping during the class. The monkey jumped above the wall. In the three sentences, under, during, and above are example of preposition. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, just give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Thanks for watching.